Hello everyone, I am Divya, your math facilitator. In this session we shall discuss few problems based on chapter 2 of class 10 sets. Okay, so we have already learned the concepts of this chapter and we have already discussed few problems too, so you can get all those videos by clicking on the I button. So now let's get started. So moving on to the first question, A is a set of elements containing 1, 2, 3 and N is a set of natural numbers. Okay, so natural numbers are nothing but 1, 2, 3 and so on. Yes, we have to find if A is equal to N or not. Okay, so what is the condition for equality? A should be a subset of N and N should be a subset of A. So you can say that A is equal to N. Okay, nothing but every element of A should also be an element of N and every element of N should be an element of A. Okay, by just looking at it you can see that in A you have 1, 2, 3 and so on, the numbers are continuing, and in N also you have numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on, they continues. So clearly you can say that A is equal to N. Moving on to the next question, A is a set of elements containing all the prime numbers less than, smaller than 6. Okay, so prime numbers are nothing but 2, 3, 5, 7, but you want prime numbers smaller than 6, so we are stopping at 5. Okay, and then P is a set containing factors, prime factors of 30. So what are the factors of 30? It is nothing but 1 into 30, 2 into 15, 3 into 10, 5 into 6. Okay, so these are the factors of 30, but we want which factors? Prime factors of 30. So 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 2, 3, 5 is a prime number. Now all these are composite numbers. Okay, so these are factors of 30, but we want only prime factors of 30, so we are considering 2, 3, 5. Okay, so P also is a set of 2, 3, 5. Now clearly by just looking you can say that A is equal to P. So moving on to the next question, A is a set containing X such that X is a letter of the word assassination, and B is a set containing X such that X is a letter of the word station. So this is set builder form, let us write it in roster form. So A is a set containing elements. Now what are the letters in the word assassination? You have A, S. Now again S is repeating, so you will not take the elements which are repeating. Okay, so S is repeating, A is repeating, S. So now the next new letter is I. Okay, next new letter is N. Okay, and A is again repeated and T is new, so take it. I is repeated, O is new. Okay, so you will take O. Again N is repeated. Clear? So writing A in roster form is A, S, I, N, T, O. Now let us write the set B in roster form. So B is a set of containing elements X such that X is a letter of the word station. So in station you have S, you have T, you have A. Now again T is repeating, so you will not take. Then you have I, you have O and then N. Okay, so now just see, you have S here, you have S here. Okay, you have T, you have T, A, I, O, N and N. So you can see every element of A is also an element of B and every element of B is also an element of A. So you can say A equal to B. So moving on to the next question, A is a set of elements X such that X is a letter of follow. Okay, so writing A in roster form, so you have F, O, L, again L is repeated, O is repeated, so W is new. Okay, so we remove the elements which are repeated. Okay, now B is a set of elements containing X such that X is a letter of flow. So what are the letters? F, L, O, W. Every letter is unique, so I am writing all the letters. Now C is a set containing X such that X is a letter of wolf. Now in wolf also all the letters are unique, so I am listing all. Okay, now you have to find which of these sets are equal. Okay, now see, you have F in A, F in B, O in A, O in B, L in A, L in B, W and W. So you can say A is equal to B. Okay, now let us compare B and C. You have F, L, O and W. So you can say B equal to C. Now let us compare A and C. In A and C also you have F, O, L and W. So you can say A equal to C. So you can say all the sets A, B, C are equal to each other. Moving on to the next question, you have to list the subsets of these given sets. Okay, so B is a set containing elements P and Q. So what are the subset of this? So set containing element P is a subset of this and set containing element Q is a subset, and you can see P comma Q is a subset. The set itself is a subset of itself. We have learned this. Okay, and null set is a subset of all the sets. Okay, so all these are subsets of this set B. Okay, now let us write here. Now X, Y, Z. So firstly let us take each letter. Now Y, Z, so that you don't have confusion. Clear? Now let us take two letters. So X comma Y, Y comma Z, Z comma X. Okay, now let us take three letters. X, Y, Z is a subset. Okay, the same set is a subset of itself, and also you know null set is a subset of all the sets. Now here it is nothing but, now each letter will take. A is a set, B is a subset, C, D. Okay, and then let us take two letters at a time. So A, B, B, C, C, D. Okay, and then you have, then let us take three letters. A, B, C, B, C, D. Okay, then you'll have C, D, A also. Here also you can write the other combinations. You have A, B, B, C. You can write A, C as one combination. Yes, you can write B, D as one combination. Yes, and other than this you have A, B, C, D as the subset. Okay, and you have null set as the subset. Clear? The set itself and also null set. Clear? Now here let us take this set. Here also the same thing. You will list one element at a time. So it is nothing but 1, 4, 9, 16. Okay, and then let us take two elements at a time. So it is 1 comma 4. Next you will have 9 comma 16. You can take 4 comma 9. You can take 1 comma 16. You can also take 9 comma 1. Okay, and let us take three elements. It is 1, 4, 9. You can take 4, 9, 16. You can take 16, 4, 1. You can take all the elements at a time. You can take null set. Okay, so in this way we can list. It is nothing but combination of different elements. You can just list it. It is very simple. So here also you see, you take each element at a time. So 10, 100, 1000, all these are different sets. Okay, then you have two elements at a time. So 10 and 100 at a time, 100 and 1000 at a time. Okay, then you have 10 and 1000 at a time. Then you can take all the three elements, 10, 100 and 1000 at once, and you have null set also. Okay, so in this way we can list out the subsets of the given set. Moving on to the next question. These are the different sets, and you have to find which are finite and infinite. Yes, so we have learned that finite sets is nothing but the set which has limited number of elements, where you can list them, where you can count them. Okay, infinite set is nothing but a set where you have infinite number of elements, many elements which you cannot list. There is no end to the list of the elements. Okay, so now let us see here. X is a element of this set where x belongs to natural numbers, and x minus 1 into x minus 2 should be equal to 0. So by solving this you can find either x minus 1 is 0 or x minus 2 is 0. Okay, that means this set has only values 1 and 2. Clear? So since there are only two elements in this set, it is a finite set. Okay, you are able to list the elements. Okay, and you are able to count them 1 and 2. So this is a finite set. Now here you see x square equal to 4. X is a natural number, but x square is 4. So this condition is satisfied only for plus 2 and minus 2. This we have seen in the concept video also. Yes. So this is a set containing only two elements. So this is a finite set where limited number of elements are there. Now here also you can see x is a natural number, but again the condition is 2x minus 2 should be 0. Okay, which means 2x is plus 2, x is 2 by 2, so x is 1. So this set contains only one element, which is 1. Okay, so this is finite set. Clear? Now here x belongs to n and x is prime. Okay, that means prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, so on. This set it continues, the elements continues. So this is infinite set. Clear? And here also you can see x is natural number, they belong to natural number, but x is odd. That means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. This set continues. So this is also infinite because natural numbers are infinite. Yes, so it continues. Clear? So these two are infinite sets where you are not able to list all the elements here. And here you can see the first three sets are finite where there is a limit to the number of elements and you are able to list them. So that's all for today. So if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video to all your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.